In today's video, I'm going to teach you Wise Debit Card, how it works, how to order and use it. The Wise Debit Card is designed for people who spend or travel across borders. It connects to your Wise account balances, lets you hold and convert multiple currencies at the real exchange rate, and helps you avoid many of the hidden fees you might see with traditional banks. You can tap to pay in stores, use it online, and withdraw cash at ATMs, all while Wise automatically uses the right balance or converts at competitive rates when needed. To get your card, start by opening the Wise app on your mobile device. Make sure you're signed into the account you want to link to the card and that your app is up to date so everything loads smoothly. From the home screen, look toward the bottom menu and select Cards. This is your hub for ordering, managing, and monitoring your card. Inside the card section, choose the option to order a debit card. You'll see the physical card option, which is typically listed as free for the standard version. Select that physical card option, then choose Order your standard card. If Wise needs any final account verification, the app may prompt you, but otherwise you'll move straight to delivery details. Enter your delivery address exactly as it appears for your residence. Double-check spelling, apartment numbers, and postal codes to prevent shipping delays. When you're sure it's correct, tap Continue. Next, choose your delivery method. Standard delivery is usually the most affordable, while an express option may arrive faster and include tracking. Pick the method that best fits your timeline and budget, then tap Continue to confirm. That's it, your order is placed. You'll see an estimated delivery window in the app. Keep notifications on so you'll know when the status updates. If delivery tracking is available for your region and method, you'll see it here too. When the card arrives, follow the on-card or in-app prompts to get it ready for first use. As a tip, store the physical card safely and avoid sharing any card details with anyone. Here's how the card works once it's in your wallet. When you pay, Wise uses your matching currency balance first. If you don't have enough, it converts from another balance at the real exchange rate, adding only a small, transparent fee. You can also add your card to your mobile wallet for contactless payments where supported. If you ever need extra peace of mind, you can manage limits and security controls right from the card section in the app, and freeze the card temporarily if it's misplaced.